Hey guys, today we will be doing a fashion show. So I found a person that is doing a fashion show. So yeah, this is our house that they're doing the fashion show, and this person is BMO 162. I'd like to give you a buddy request, by the way. Just put down my media because it's a little too loud. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Well, she's my friend now, so we're just gonna wait for the other people. So be right back, guys. Let me pause this. Okay, guys, I'm back, and well, in a bit of a pickle right now, cause it is very, like, nobody, I don't know, no, you aren't, because you, what? Most people record, but I just leave it. Can't say that in there, buds. Huh? What? What? Wait, what? I don't get what you mean. What are you saying? AY would not say that in their vids. AY? What's that? On that ape? IDK? What you're talking? Oh my god, talking about? I don't know what this person is talking about. IDK, what you're talking about? I don't know. It won't let me say. Are we having the fashion show? Are we gonna have the fashion show, guys? God darn. Yes, I am. I'm recording. Guys, tell me in the comments section below. Tell that person I'm recording. I'm not now. They would not do that in their vids. What? Do what in their videos? I don't know what you're talking about. This is awkward. You are mean. You're mean. I can do whatever I want. You're chewing it up, Matt. What does that mean? I can do whatever I want. I'm just stating the facts. Well, no, you're selfish. No, you can't. I'm like, wow. Wow. Wow, you're funny. You can't do that. Guys, what is happening? Pod can't give you what you want. I don't care. Stop talking to me. IDK. IDK. IDC, I mean. Not IDK. We are doing role play. Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Bye. Oh, okay, bye. Oh, wow. You unbuddied me. I'm so sad. Oh, you unbuddied me. I'm so sad. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You unbuddied me. I'm so sad. Yeah. Right. I'm sad. I'm not. I don't care. Yeah, right. I'm sad. I'm not. I don't care. Don't be sad. Oh, this is turning into drama. This is turning into, what the heck? Into drama. This is turning into drama. Well, by the way, you're being recorded. You're being recorded. Well, you're being recorded. Trade me. Why? I don't. Actually, I'll just trade you, okay? Wow, this is trash. Trash. Rarely skirt. Trash. Diamond tiara. Spike collar. Trash. Tropical storm cloud. Trash. Ice chair. No. I don't care about. Oh my god. IDK. Either. IDK 2. Well. Okay, well, Oh my god. Just wow. You probably don't even have anywhere to post it. I do. My YouTube, my account is Wolf Star. I do. My account is Wolf Star. You people are crazy. You don't even. Where's your girl? What the heck? Oh, wow. That's gross. Anyone? I don't know. I gave you a jamagram. What? I don't, what the heck is happening? And I will post it. You have no recent activated. What? You have no recent activity, by the way. I don't know. And I will post it. The vid will be called AJ Drama. The vid will be called AJ Drama. Oh my god. Because this vid, what the heck? This is drama. Because this is drama. Huh? Okay. Well, I got to go to post my, oh my god, my vid. Well, bye. Gotta go post my vid. Yes, I do. What your account? Wolf Star. Wolf Star. Wolf Star. That's my account, okay? Okay? And you better believe me, because if you don't... okay, I'm not mad at you. I'm just very, like... I'm just sad. Why? Why don't you... Oh my god. Look it up. Look it up. Look it up. Look it up. Okay? Okay? Look it up. ICS1. I don't know. Your name is just... I don't know. It's okay. Your name is cool, but... it's very short, but that doesn't matter, because... What? What? Can I buddy you? Because you seem like a nice buddy. Okay. How do you press into ICS1? ICS1. This is very drama. I need to check how long this is. All I can find is that person that has furry vids. What does that mean? Well, got to go. Well, gotta go. I'll post it. You can watch. Oh my god. I'll post it. You can watch it. It will be called AJ Drama. It will be called AJ Drama. Oh my god. What your account? Wolf Star. It's Wolf Star. Okay, just look up Wolf Star, please.